How to create a Docker overlay network. Don't worry, I got you. Step 1, log into your Docker manager node. Once logged in, we can do a Docker service ls. And if you get an output from that, that means your Docker swarm is up and running. Let's go ahead and create a new Docker network. We can do that with a Docker network create -d overlay -o encrypted. And then we're going to call this test overlay net. And if you get an output, that means your command completed successfully. Let's do a Docker network ls. This lists all our different networks that Docker knows about. On this side, we have a bunch of different networks that are local to our Docker host, but we do have a couple that are applied to the swarm as a whole. We have this ingress overlay network. We have a test overlay net, which is the network we just created, and we have a test stack default, which is from that Docker Compose we made a few videos. Now that we know our test overlay net was created, how do we apply service to it? That's pretty straightforward. We do a Docker service create --name, and we pass through a network of test overlay net. So feel free to just copy and paste that so there are no spelling mistakes. Then do a replicas of 2, and then we choose our image, which is going to be Ubuntu. Looks like we forgot our name. So under our name section, we'll call this net test, and you give that a moment. We're back, and let's take a look at our services again. Let's do a Docker service ls. So you can see we now have a service called net test, right? And if we were to do a Docker service ps net test, it would show that service is up and running on DS2 and DS3 specifically. Now, if we were to log into node 2, which should be at 109, and do a Docker network ls, you'd see we now have the test overlay net on that node as well. When you're done, you'll end up with something like this, where you have a third overlay network that your 2 Docker nodes connect to right here. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this content, please go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe either here on TikTok or down below at my YouTube channel. Otherwise, stay blessed, boys. I'll see y'all next time.